It is not all about better time management, it is about the better self management. Today, we all know that it's a quite common that people are not executing their time for productivity. We all have ample time, even though we are not content with that. Dear ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to SAS View. I am Sumajish here. Today, my topic is about time management. So, how you can use your time wisely for your own productivity is my talk today, because you cannot fill every minute doing something more important. It's all about your time management plays very important role for finishing your task. So as we know, time is equal to money. Both once has gone, it cannot take back. Later you realize that loss. So you must have some strategies that will help you to use time wisely. So let me share a few points related how you can manage your time. Plan your day in advance. This is the best option so that you can do and create some checklist of all those things that you want to finish in a day, and you need to write there the most important task that you want to concentrate on that particular day. Then it is not like only you are doing the checklist. The second questions you must ask about yourself: what is your intention of doing that work? If you are choosing a particular time intentionally, you would avoid all kinds of distractions in between. Okay, and this is not the only thing you can do. You can also you must understand what is your priority of doing that work so that you can schedule your days very easily and effective way. But you must think about how much time you are putting for your dread task. So set your goals in which you can establish time limit. And what is more important, block your time for a specific task and target your work with full attention. This is the key for your success. In this way, you will help you to avoid all kinds of roadblocks, that you can return to your task with a certain purpose. This because you are able to organize your time, and you will get ample time for your practice. You can enjoy your work, and you can lead happy, healthy, and you will learn to use time for your growth. So, always try to learn how to utilize your valuable time in a day. Yes, I hope this is very useful message for you, because we all are wasting a lots of time in a day, and later we regret about the loss, because we are living in an era where time is equated with money. So, dear friend, my message for you is: use your time wisely for your own productivity. So, I think this is a very great and useful message for you. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice time. Please do share, comment, and subscribe my channel so that you will get my next video. So see you there in my next video. Thank you so much.